In order to determine the ocean carrier's provisioning types or which chassis providers are available to select in a pool location, you need to sign on to chassis.com. You do that by entering www.chassis.com. For this demonstration, we'll be working in a test environment with test data. Log on using your login ID and password. Then, under the CCM Pool Provider menu, select Facility Details. On this page, select the metro area of the location and the specific location that you are trying to find out information on. Click on the Facility Details. The screen is divided then up into 3 sections. At the top, the facility details about the facility you inquired on are displayed. Then, the chassis providers available to be selected in this location are listed next. However, in order to select one of these chassis providers, you must have a confirmed agreement and you must be in good standing with the chassis provider. And at the bottom section of the screen are the provisioning types of the ocean carriers. And there are 3 provisioning types. The first provisioning type is no choice. Under no choice, the ocean carrier has indicated any use of a chassis under their container will be directed to one party, and that is their default provider. The second type is choice allowed by exception, and any use of a chassis under the ocean carrier's container will be directed to the ocean carrier's dedicated chassis provider listed in the column to the right, except when the motor carrier communicates an exception to CCM. And exceptions are created on the exception screen and can be made by booking, bill of lading, or release number. In this case, when that information is provided and a gate move is provided to CCM with the matching information, the use will be assigned to the chassis provider that the motor carrier specified in the exception. And the third type of provisioning is choice allowed. And under this scenario, the ocean carrier has indicated that they do not provide chassis under any circumstances, and the motor carrier is able to rank their preferred chassis providers and assign usage to their highest ranked chassis providers. This allows you to see the facility information, the chassis providers that are available at that facility, and the provisioning types of each of the ocean carriers.